Hi guys, my name is Kevin Chimanya, as you all know, and in this particular section of this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a sales page. For you to make sales online, you need what we call sales page, and I'm going to be showing you the concept of sales page so you understand the difference between sales page and lead generation page. Do you understand? So now, thank you as you participate in this tutorial. See you in the other side of success.
So hi guys, welcome to another edition of this digital marketing course. My name is Kevin Chimaya, as you all know, the CEO of Bista Technology. So in this particular tutorial video guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a high converting sales page for digital products. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a high converting sales page for digital products. Remember, in our previous video I taught you how to create a landing page for lead generation. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a landing page for selling of digital products or any type of product on the web. Now, what is a sales page? It's not good that we go ahead and start creating a sales page without knowing what sales page is all about, the definition of sales page. So sales page can be defined as a Sales page can be defined as a one-page website used to sell a product or to make sales on a web. Do you understand? Sales page can be defined as a one-page website used to sell a product on an online website. So now, sales page is just a simple one-page website. It's not like e-commerce website where you have some dynamic functionality that you click, you add to cart, you select how many products you want, you check out, you wait for your confirmation, all those things. Sales page is a straightforward one-page website that you come, you see, you read content about the product, you click on the product, you make save for the product, and you get your product delivered to you. If it is a digital product, you get your product delivered to you digitally. If it is a physical product, when you make payment, the owner of the website will contact you and send you your product to your location. So that is how sales page work. Now, for us to get started, what do we need to do? We just head into our WordPress admin dashboard and start creating our page. So let's dive into the system where I'll be showing you how you can go about this particular sales page. Alright guys, so this is our WordPress admin dashboard. Let me just zoom it a little bit. So this is our WordPress admin dashboard. This is how it looks like. And as you all know, for us to create any new page, we head over to our page icon here. We click on it. So when we click on it, it's actually going to bring us here, and this is our lead generation page that we created in our last tutorial. So this time around, we are going to be creating a page for sales page. Now, for us to create a new page, you click on add new page. Then from here, we now give the page a title, something like landing. Okay, let's call it sales page. So now this sales page here, if you write the name like this, then you click on publish. So once you click on publish, the next thing is, let me see if I can open this link in a new tab. And believe you me, this page is empty, but when we are done, we're actually going to see some beautiful items here. Now I'm actually creating this page for which concept should I use? Okay, let me create this page for selling of my digital products, okay, which is my graphics course. So let me create this page for selling of my graphics course. So in your own case, you might want to create your own sales page for any product you want. You can even create it for selling of physical product, maybe a herbal medicine, or maybe a specific product that you want to sell. You understand? So now, as I've published this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on launch Thrive Architect. So if I click on launch Thrive Architect, awesome, it's actually going to load Thrive Architect for me. So let's just exercise some patience. Awesome. Now, as you can see from here, it asks us, do we need a normal page or do we need pre-built landing page? As usual, I've already told you that this one is if you want to create from scratch, and this one is already built template. So there is no need of going with this while we have this. You understand? I can actually go with this, but for you, you might find it difficult because you are not a professional. So from here, we already have pre-built template, so we can choose from here and customize it by ourselves. So now the next thing that we are going to do is, let's select this. So from here we have a whole lot of templates here, so let me just check the one I will choose for myself. So let's just try if we can go with this one. So let me just select this. So as you can see, this one says Bright Smart Sales Page. So this one is for lead generation, this one is for sales page, then this one is for what? Email confirmation. A whole lot of templates are here, but let's just see if we can actually go with this one and see what you can actually do with it. So now I select this one, I click on apply template. Awesome. As you can see, it has actually loaded this particular template for us. So now from here we can start customizing this so we can use it and rank our sales online. Awesome. Now the next thing that we are going to do is, let's start from this content above. So from here I can say, because I want to actually sell my graphics course, so I can say, I can start from here now and say, maybe from here I will say learn how to make your first, learn how, okay, let me just go back a little bit. I want to get the boldness of this right up. So I can start writing, learn how to make, this is make your first. We are in Nigeria, so let me just use Nigeria naira. Learn how to make your first one. This is 1 million. This is not even 0, comma. Learn how to make your first 1 million naira as a graphics. So I can say learn how to make your first 1 million naira as a graphic designer by selling your service. All right, learn how to make your first 1 million naira as a graphic designer by selling your service. So I might decide to change the color of this graphic designer. So if I highlight this graphic designer, I come here, click on color. Let me just see if black is gonna go well. So this is good. Let me change this graphics to capital letter. This G should be in black color. Awesome. So now learn how to make your first 1 million naira as a graphic designer in Nigeria by selling your service. So in this particular page now, I'm trying to sell my graphics course, how you can learn graphic design and how you can also make money from graphic design. So if I want, I can come here now. I still want to put another write-up here, so I can come here and duplicate this. You understand? I can come and duplicate this and drag it up. That is the reason why we call it drag and drop, and drag it up. Then bring it here below this text and put it. So I can actually put it here, or how can I do this again? I can click on this plus icon here, then look for text. This is text. So this, sorry, let's just go back. So if I come here now, let me show you how I can add text. If you click on this plus icon, you drag this. You understand? You drag this to here. So if you drag this to here, you can actually start inputting write-ups. You understand? So if I come here and copy this, I can actually come here and also paste it. Do you understand? So this is how to create text, but let me just delete one. Then in this place, I want to still put in some content. So I can say, because of this video below, I would like to add a video here. I can say something like this. Watch the video below to see the main two ways of making money online. Either as a graphics designer, or with any other So watch the video below to see the main two ways of making money online, either as a graphic designer or with any other digital skill you have. Now let me show you something that you need to know. if you come below here, this video here is a YouTube video, so I would want to change this video and add my own video. So first of all, let me go to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is my YouTube channel. Let me go to my videos, then scroll down and see this video. I want to put this video. I think I talked about learning graphics here, so this is a video ad. So if I copy this video now, come back to my Thrive Architects page. So from here now, if I click on this video, then you can upload video from different source. So this is YouTube. If you toggle down, you will see Vimeo, you will see Wistia, externally hosted video, uploaded video. You will see a whole lot of video player here that you can use. So for me, I want to use YouTube. You understand? So from here, I will delete this. I'll delete this and put my link. So if I put my link, this video will automatically change to my own video. But first of all, let me just save what I've done. Also, as you can see, my video has popped up, and this video I talked about learning graphics here. So let me just, and the next thing I'm going to do is, let me just go to this our page and reload it first. So I reload this page. As you can see, this page has automatically changed to something very beautiful. Let me come back here and save this. So let me just save this first. So if I save this, come back here and reload, this one is automatically going to disappear. So we now have our video here. First of all, let's watch this video.
Hi guys, if you can see this video, it means something great is about to happen to your life right now. My name is Kevin Chimanya. I'm the CEO of Bista Technology and Bista Graphics and Print. So in this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can start making money online legitimately. So I made my first million in my 20s, and I'm going to teach you how you can also start making millions online legitimately. So what I do in this my channel is that I try things out. When it works, then I come here and educate people on how to do it. So I don't teach what I don't know. So anything you see me teaching in this channel, just know is something.
First of all, this video is an ad creative. I made this video to market my graphics course. You understand? Now, as you can see, thank God that I'm using this video. You can also do this type of video if you want to market anything online, whether it's a physical product or digital product. You can also make this video or pay somebody to do this type of video for you. You understand? So let's watch and continue so that you will see how I was teaching them the importance of learning skill, how graphics, what graphics can do to you, how graphics can also change your life. Do you understand? So let's just finish the video.
Something I've tried and it worked for me, so I decided to share the experience with you guys. So now, there are main two ways to make money online. What are these ways? One is either you are selling a product online or you are selling a service online. These are the main two ways to make money online. So what do I mean by selling a service? If you have digital skill, something like graphic design, server management, UI UX, web development, cyber security, content creating, data analysis, there are so many digital skills that you can learn. When you have all these skills and you render it to people online, then you will get paid for rendering this service, and that is.
So have you seen it? I'm actually telling them now that you can make money from graphic design by learning graphic design and offering the service to people online. That you have a lot of people today needs graphic design work. You understand? Businesses, companies, everybody needs graphic design to communicate and market their business. So graphic design is a high paying skill. So that is actually what I was trying to explain in this video. This video should be part of this our course because it is also teaching you how to create your own video content. You understand?
It's how to make money online by selling your skill. Then the second one is selling a product. If you have a product, you can market it online and also get paid. That is what we call selling a product. So, but the easiest one, the one I like doing, is selling my service. As you can see, I'm a graphic designer, I'm a digital marketer, I'm a web developer. So every single day I get people paying me for me to do graphic. Is it that they are paying me for me to do graphic design for them, or for me to build websites for them, or for me to help them and market their company online? So now I will advise you to get a digital skill. And one good thing about all these digital skills is that you can learn it in a space of 1 to 2 months and start making your money. I made my first 1 million naira as a graphic designer. So I have a course, a step-by-step course in which I taught how to become a professional graphic designer.
Now, as you can see, I told them I made my first 1 million naira from graphics. Truly, I made my first 1 million naira as a graphic designer. So I'm not telling them that I made my first 1 million naira as a graphic designer, and I have also created a step-by-step course that will help and teach them how I also made that my first 1 million naira. You understand? On this particular graphic design field. So now let's proceed
with Photoshop. As you can see in my screen here, how to become a professional graphic designer in Photoshop, and how I made my first 1 million naira from graphics design. So I have a course on graphic design, I have a course on web development, I have a course on server management. The one of graphic design is sold for 1,000 naira. That means you can learn how to become a graphic designer. You can learn how to become a millionaire with just your 1,000 naira. This is mad. You don't need to waste time. So just click the link below so it will take you to my DM.
So as you can see, the cost is 1,000 naira. So in this particular page, you are going to be selling the course for 1,000 naira in this particular page.
You just need to do is to make payments of 1,000 naira, and automatically I'll give you access to the course, and you will take the course. It is a step-by-step course, and bet me, in less than 2 months you can start rendering your graphics design service online. So thank you guys. When you take the course, you will definitely appreciate me later. I remain my humble self, Kevin Chimaya, the CEO of Vista Technology and the CEO of Vista Tech.
Awesome. So now, as you can see, all of us have watched the video, and we can see how the video went. So now the next thing is, let's start creating more content about the course. Now from here, now I can come here and let me just go back to my Tribe Architect. So from here, I want to put a write-up here, and I click on this plus icon. I drag this text, bring it, oh sorry, I want to add it under this video. So here is okay. Then the next thing I will say, what I want to put here is, I will say watch. I have another video that I want to put. I'll say watch the video so now if you take a look at this, I said watch the video below to see how I made my first 1 million naira 2 years ago as a graphic designer. So I want to put a video that I explain how I made my first 1 million naira as a graphic designer. So I will come back here. This time around, I'm going to actually select video. So I'm actually going to select this video, then bring it down here and put it. So this video now, I'm actually going to use the YouTube video. So I go back to my channel once again. So scroll down. This is the video I'm talking about, how I made my first 1 million naira. As you can see, it's 2 years ago. So I share, I copy link, I come back here and insert my link here. So once I insert my link, I'm actually going to save this. here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I want to create a button here. You understand? I want to create a button here, so that button will be something of that button will be something like should I say something like buy now, because I want them to, after watching the video, I want them to buy my course. You understand? So now you remember the other one we said get access, because we want them to come to in our lead generation page. We made mention of something. The button was get access or chat now. You understand? Because we wanted the person to come and engage with us in our group chat or in our DM or in our Telegram channel or in any platform that we want to direct them. So, but this one is that we want to make sales. You understand? This particular sales page is that we want to make sale. So now the option we are giving them is to buy now. So for example, I'll click on this plus icon. I go to my button down here. So if I select my button, what I'm going to click here, if I just click here, I'll come to this I'll come here now, and let me just shift back. I say click here to, okay, let me just use something like buy buy now. So this buy now button is okay now, or let me just say click to buy now. Click to buy now. So this click to buy now is because I want the person to click here and buy. Now the next thing is that where do I want them to go? You understand? Where do I want them to go? Where I want them to go is this is my button. Where is my button link? So this is my button link. So from here, I'm going to create a payment gateway. So somebody like you can go to this payment gateway to Paystack and create account. But I already have account in Paystack. Or you might decide to design another page where you'll be putting your account number, anyhow you want to do it. But I use automatic payment gateway, which is Paystack. So let me just show you my Paystack, how we can create a payment link from Paystack. So going to my Paystack. So guys, this is actually my Paystack, and this is my Paystack dashboard. So for me to create a payment link for this, I'll just go to payment pages, add new page. I'll say one-time payment. I'll choose one-time payment. Name is graphics course. Then here I can just come here and let me just copy this and say pay for the graphics course. Then from here I can decide to put my SEO image, but for now I don't have any SEO image that I want to upload. Now, like if I have a flyer, I can put it here, or a logo. Now I will just say I want a fixed payment on this page, because I want a fixed payment of how much. A fixed payment, remember the price we tag there is 1,000 naira. And from here I'll say I want to collect phone number. Now I can just click on create. Now the link has been created. So if I copy this link now, then go back to my payments page, if I paste this link here and save, So we have actually saved it. So let me just come back to this our preview page and reload. And you're actually going to see two videos here plus this link. So look at the link that said click to buy now. So if I click on this link, it's actually going to show me where I will make payments. Let me just show you. So if I click on this link, it's actually going to tell me to fill in my name. So let me just say my name is this, email, let me say this is my email, then phone number, let me just say this is my phone number. As you can see, we only have the option to make payments of how much, 1,000 naira. So if I click on pay now, it's actually going to load and it's actually going to tell me to make payments with my card. So I might decide to make payments with my card, and I might also decide to make payments with bank transfer. It's actually going to generate automatic phone number for me. Might decide to pay with bank or USSD or Visa QR code or OPay. You understand? So this is very, very simple to do. Once I make payment, once somebody purchases this course now, I'm actually going to get a notification with the person's phone number. So I might decide to call the person or chat. Or there is a way that I can even set it up. If I have the course, I might set it up so that once the person make payment, it will automatically redirect the person to the course. Let me just say that the course is my okay, let me just say that the course is this my YouTube channel now. Maybe this link now is the link taking people to the course, for example, but this is not my graphics course link. But let me just say that this link is the link taking people to my graphics course. Now if I come back to my paste if I come back to my paste tag, this is the graphics course. Then I can come here, and if I click on this graphics course, it's actually going to load from here. Then I'll click on edit page. Let me show you. If you come down here, this place they say redirect after payment. I will just post that my course link. So if I post it here, if somebody makes payment, let me just show you what you don't know. If somebody makes payment here, it will automatically redirect the person to this my YouTube channel. You understand? So what I just need to do is, if it's a digital product, I will automatically put the link there. Then if it's a physical product and I want the person to chat me one-on-one, I will just go to put my WhatsApp link here. This redirect after creation. If I just click on edit, I'll just put my WhatsApp link here. So if I put my WhatsApp link here, the WhatsApp link we created the other time, once somebody make payment, it will automatically bring the person to my page. So this is how to integrate payment gateway in your sales page. Now the next thing that we are going to do is, let me just get rid of this particular section. I don't actually need it. I don't actually need this section. Then here is the feature highlight. That is the feature of the course that we are going to purchase. This video might be very long, but it's very, very educative, so you just have to pay attention to grab what I'm actually going to teach, what I'm actually teaching in this course. So from here, I can say so from here is feature of the course. So if I just click here, I can say from here I'll say deep understanding of graphics design deep understanding of graphic design. So I will come here and say, in this course, comma, you will understand, you will and understand you will and understand what graphics is. Now the second one is, let me just add something here. How to copy and spy a design. Awesome. So I can just come here and say, in this video course, you will understand how to spy a design. Now let me just add something here. Then the third one is why, let me just say, why graphic design, why graphics design this video will teach you why graphics design. Okay, now I'll come here and say, how to sell your graphics skill. So maybe by the end of this video you will learn how to sell your graphic skill. So I'll come here and say, the course will also teach you how to sell your graphics skills. Awesome. So now this is very, very important. Let me just delete all these ones. I don't really need all these ones again. Let me just leave this section. So here is what our customers say. So here is, I'm going to put what our students said about our course. So let me just, first of all, let me delete all these ones that I don't need to avoid confusing myself. Okay, Control Z. Let me leave this section. For now. So now let me just delete this one, delete this one, all these ones I don't need it anymore. So awesome, this is very robust. This is FAQ. If you want to add FAQ, you can also add it here, but I don't want to add FAQ, which is frequently asked question. Now let's just delete all this empty background. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is, let me see how you can actually style this place. Then I'll come here and say, graphics course. Graphics course. Then I'll come here, I'll say make money with your skills. Right now here, I don't think get instant access to this graphics course. Graphics course. Right now, then I'll come here and say this is your buy now era. Represent your products. Okay, now I'll come here and say buy now. Buy now at a bonus rate, right? Then here, instead of getting start result, I'll say click to buy now. Click to buy now, right? Click to buy now. Then if I click on this button, I'm actually going to put my paystack link here too. So this is actually my paystack link. So I copy this, come back here, put it again and paste. So now I save this. Now here, let me show you what you are actually going to do here. I want to add image, so I'll drag image. Now here, I'm actually going to come here, select file, I want to upload these 3 images. So first of all, I'm going with this one. It's actually my chat between me and my Cameroon student. On graphic design. So let me just delete this. Awesome. Then I'm actually going to delete. I don't need all these things. I want to add my own review by myself. I'm actually going to add my review by myself. Awesome. Now the next thing that we are going to do is, let me just delete this column. Then I want to add another image here. So adding another image here, I'll click on this plus icon, drag image and put here. So I will add this guy. This is a review that was given by my student in our website, Efiok from Akwa Ibom. Now the next thing is, I want to still add the third image. So I come here and put the image here. Then I add this one. Was a review given to us by Chooks Deco, one of our students too. So let me just see if I can actually reduce the size of this image. So I'll reduce it this way. Then the next thing is that I click on if I click on this layout and position, then I come to this alignment, I'll click on center so it will go to center. So this one too, if I click on this, I click alignment should be center. Then if I scroll up to more options, then I'll reduce the size. So if I go to this one too, I'm actually going to do the same thing. Reduce the size, go to layout position, I'll click on center. So it's actually going to be center here. Now everything is now aligned at the center. So now what you are going to do is we just delete this, also delete this. Now if you want to add this, but I want to delete it, I'm not doing anything with this. So this is actually how to create a sales page, and I hope you find this video very, very helpful. And you already know the difference between a sales page and a lead generation page. So if we save this now, and go back to our page, let me just open it in a new tab. If we save this now and go back to our page, you're actually going to see everything we designed, how robust it is, how sleek it is. And as you can see, it's also mobile friendly. It is well looking in phone version, in mobile version. So let's just check the tablet version. The tablet version is also okay. So thank you guys for participating in this tutorial. I remain my humble self, Kevin Chimoya, the CEO of Vista Technology and also the CEO of Vista Graphics and Print. See you in my next tutorial as we proceed on the digital marketing course. Thank you.